Hello, and welcome. This presentation is about the data scientist, or the new unicorns. My name is John Bloom with Bloom Consulting. And what is a data scientist? Well, the Harvard Business Review at hbr.org, Thomas Davenport and DJ Patel coined the term the sexiest job of the 21st century. A data scientist must wear many hats, including data professional, technology, science, domain expert, presenters, and have an advanced degree. So the data professional aspect of the data scientist, they must be familiar with data in a variety of formats, including text, Excel, CSV files, as well as relational databases, including SQL Server, Oracle, SAP HANA, or a variety of others. They also have to be familiar with the NoSQL databases, including Hadoop, which has been around since 2006 and contains a file structure for manipulating and querying data across a distributed cluster of servers. They also have to know the Spark ecosystem as well as the graph. And the graph is simply a hierarchical series of data components that show relationships. As far as technology, a data scientist has to know one or many of the following languages, including Perl, Python, R, SQL, and Scala. As far as science is concerned, they kind of need to be experts in math and statistics, which means you typically learn those in college, typically advanced courses. So someone coming out of high school may or may not typically have these skill set under their belt. So they must be domain experts, as in working in a specific field for a specified time so that they understand the intricacies and the ins and outs. Or they could leverage a business analyst within the organization. But what we're talking about here, the data scientist, is to have all these components to signify that they are true data scientists and not a fake one. They also have to have presentation skills, because once they derive their insights from the data, they have to output that data into a meaningful, readable format so executives can digest it and take action. And by doing that, they have to have visualization skills. And there's a variety of tools used for such purpose. They must be good storytellers and be able to state their case in a reasonable format that is meaningful and convincing. And they usually present their case to C-level executives, but not always. And the advanced degree comes in handy. If you happen to have a PhD laying around or a master's degree, that's a good qualifier to get in the door to a specific shop to say that you're a true data scientist. Although people have said that you can still be a data scientist without these credentials. So there's kind of a shortage in the fact that there's more jobs than candidates, qualified candidates. So the TechCrunch article listed here indicates the McKinsey study. In 2018, the jobs in the United States alone will exceed 490,000, which is almost 500,000, and there will be fewer than 200 available data scientists to fill these positions. So doing the math, there's a good potential that if you have a data science degree, you just may be able to find work in the United States. So where do we go from here? Well, we're going to have to offer more degree programs at the universities, more certifications, and more homegrown self-taught programmers such as myself. What are the salaries? Well, from the Glassdoor website, it stated that the national average at the current time, which is January 4th, 2016, the national average is $118,000, 709. So that's pretty good. Thanks for watching. This is John Bloom of Bloom Consulting. You reach me on Twitter at SQLJohn or bloomconsultingbi.com, and there's my LinkedIn. So once again, this is an introduction to data scientists and why they are unicorns and why it's so difficult for one person to contain so many different skill sets. And there you have it. So thanks for watching.